Communication is all about kind of trying to get your perspective in your head with all the information that you have and all the things that you're seeing, and trying to somehow try and express that to somebody else. And it's pretty difficult. It's not easy. We all struggle with it. But I think it's a really good skill to have, and it's something which I kind of endeavor to be good at.
All right. I think communication means conveying ideas. It's kind of like, to draw an analogy, like a truck, right? Delivering something to someone. So, and this truck's containing things like ideas, thoughts, words, or anything actually. So yeah.
To me, communications mean getting what I feel out as not concise, as straightforward as possible, so that the receiving person understand fully what I'm trying to express. And that's really important if there's like a gap between a level of understanding. So yeah, well, it comes with practice anyway, so yeah.
Well, communication just means relaying information to someone else and in a way that they're going to understand it and take the message from it. So I think in university we use a lot of communication in written form and also in oral form, and so it's about, relaying my information, and especially with my research this year, that new information to other people so they can understand it and then take action if necessary.
Wow, communication is something very close to my heart, but at the same time it's a very vague and big idea. I think communication means to me that people can come together and connect. And I think connection is what all of us crave, really, and deeply and always. And so I think without communication we can't connect and we can't really be humans. So to me it kind of means being human, really, yeah.
Communication means almost everything to me. It is the start and finish of every work that you do in everyday life. And it's not just, you don't use the skill for professional things, it's also to maintain other sorts of personal relationships as well. So communication skills is a very important skill to have for everyone in their professional lives as well as personal lives. That's what I think.